Well guys, day 7 now, around noon. It's either thunderstorms and raining or absolutely red hot. Plenty of takes, plenty of action on the oars, smashed a few trolling, but I have not landed a fish yet. It's the 25th now. I've got a leave on the morning of the 30th for Brazzaville. And I'll tell you, I'm having to dig in really deep. The boys have done well down the river. Hendrik has had 2 very nice fish, and the Christo from South Africa, he is absolutely annihilated us. He's had the biggest fish, and I think he's on fish number 5 now. So just keep praying, keep digging in. Don't know what else to do. Fucking hard work. GoPro, stop recording.